Drones in China by Dylan Coley. What are drones? Drones are referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Essentially, a drone is a flying robot that is controlled remotely through software controlled systems and sensors. A drone can perform a range of tasks from military operations to package delivery, search and rescue, agriculture, and traffic monitoring. Who is using drones in China? There are several major players in the drones market in China: military, agriculture, public safety, entertainment, firefighting and emergency response, photography, infrastructure management, passenger transport, forestry, and disaster relief. Why are they using drones in China? China is proving to be the powerhouse in drone manufacturing. Drones support the economic growth in China with its technological innovation. Government and private entities are targeting innovation programs with drone usage. The widespread use of drones contribute to economic growth by improving emergency medical services and public safety, monitoring and enforcing wildlife protection laws, monitoring environmental pollutants, exercising control over oil and gas resources, targeting the agricultural industry. Where are they using drones in China? Local government. Drones are used in search and rescue following a natural disaster, help patrol areas that are difficult for police officers to access, and to protect Chinese citizens using surveillance data to raid drug labs. National level. Drones provide aerial surveillance at border patrols, monitor environmental pollutants in China, and creating drones as offensive weapons with the ability to launch missiles and bombs while collecting intelligence for a military movement. Services sector. Drones are used by the Chinese for aerial photography and filmmaking and used for construction and real estate services. When are they using drones in China? The Chinese government is using drones in their response to the coronavirus. Drones have been used to spray disinfecting chemicals in public places in high impacted areas. Drones are delivering medical supplies to reduce human contact. Drones have helped the Chinese to track down fugitives and catch people making traffic violations. China uses drones in emergency operations like search and rescue, identifying forest fires, and mapping areas prone to flood threats, avalanches, and mudslides. How to apply drones to help solve issues related to sustainable developmental goals. Drones can prove to be extremely helpful as they can potentially be used to meet the sustainable development goals set by the United Nations organization. Some examples of how drone technology meets sustainable development goals: SDG number 2, zero hunger. Drones can promote sustainable agriculture to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition. SDG number 8, work and economic growth. Drone technology promises to reshape business while providing employment opportunities. SDG number 9, industry innovation and infrastructure. Utilities and energy use of drones technology enhance inspections, maintenance, and repairs. SDG number 16, peace and justice and strong institutions. Drones can be used to monitor the movements of illegal migrants and support border patrol. Two truths and one lie. Drones applications in China. Number 1. 80% of commercial drones in the world are made by Chinese companies. Number 2. China was inducted in the Guinness World Record book for using over 3,000 drones to put on a show in the skies. Number 3. China is not the center of drone boom with only 10,000 Chinese businesses involved in drones. Which statement is a lie?